Hello students, I am Kinjal and I am a part of Super Grads team. Today I will be teaching you a few vocabulary words by root words method. But this is not your ordinary traditional form of root word learning method. Instead, I have added a few twists and turn to it so that you can retain all these words in your memory for a very longer time. Let's start. The first root word for today is Megan, which means great. Here it is, Megan, which means great. But I want you to understand this in a very different manner and not your general rote learning method in which you will learn that Megan is great for 50 next times, and then you will try to remember it for another 15 days, 15 months. So that is not our approach today. Whenever you think about Megan as a word, as a root word, instead of thinking Megan, I would tell you to think about a word. It's called magnanimous. Here is the word magnanimous. Magnanimous का मीनिंग होता है शाहरुख खान. So magnanimous means Shah Rukh Khan. The next time when you come across this word magnanimous, I want you to think of Shah Rukh Khan only. So Shah Rukh Khan को magnanimous क्यों बोलते हैं? Because of his famous pose in which he has folded his, actually he's seeing towards the sky in such a way and his arms are all out in such a way that somehow you feel that he's somebody with a very big heart. So Shah Rukh Khan is a person with a very big heart, and anybody who has a very big heart is called generous. This person is generous because he has a big heart. सो मैग्नानिमस का मीनिंग अगर शाहरुख खान होता है और शाहरुख खान का मीनिंग होता है बड़ा दिल, सो इट मीन्स जेनरस. अच्छा, बड़ा दिल. अब शाहरुख खान को बड़ा दिल कैसे सोचेंगे? ये सोचना बहुत इजी है. शाहरुख खान की सबसे पॉपुलर मूवी विच गेव हिम ऑल द लव फ्रॉम द नेशन इज डीडीएलजे, which is दिल वाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे. The another popular movie of Shah Rukh Khan, which was released like 5 years ago, is called Dilwale. So in both these movies, this movie was considered to be a sequel of DDLJ because of his pairing with Kajol, of course. So DDLJ and Dilwale both have this common word. It's called Dilwale. So Shah Rukh Khan is a person who has a heart, who has a big heart. He has a big heart in the way he spreads his arms across and he looks towards the sky. So basically, Dilwale, DDLJ, Bade Dilwale, and that pose. All of this is denoting to only one thing, that is big heart. So Shah Rukh Khan is a person with a big heart in magnanimous vocabulary word that means Shah Rukh Khan. So basically, whenever you think about magnanimous, think about Shah Rukh Khan as a person. So magnanimous का मीनिंग होता है कोई भी ऐसा इंसान जिसके पास बहुत बड़ा दिल हो, a big hearted person, a generous person who can give easily, who believes in donating, who is likable, who is empathetic towards others. All these things would be considered for being a magnanimous person. The second word here is magnificent. And the third, fourth, okay, magnitude, magnification, magnum opus. Magnitude, for example, you are told to find the distance between Earth and Sun. So it would be of great magnitude, of a great distance. So great distances. Magan यानी होता है great, magnanimous, शाहरुख खान बड़े दिल वाला. तो मैगन क्या हुआ? ग्रेट. तो मैगन का मतलब होता है ग्रेट. मैग्नीट्यूड का मतलब होता है ग्रेट डिस्टेंसेस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, डिस्टेंस बिटवीन अर्थ एंड सन. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज मैग्निफिकेशन. मैग्निफिकेशन का मीनिंग होता है when any smaller thing, when you actually use the magnifying glass. I'm pretty sure you all have used it once in your school till now. So magnification मतलब होता है कि जब आप मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास से किसी छोटी चीज को देखते हो तो वो बड़ी दिखने लगती है. दैट इज कॉल्ड मैग्निफिकेशन. So magnification is looking at smaller things with a larger perspective, with a bigger or larger perspective. That is called magnification. Magnum opus. Magnum opus is actually a foreign phrase, and again you can relate it with मैगन great. मैगन का ऑलरेडी मीनिंग आपको पता है, यहाँ पे होता है ग्रेट, यहाँ पे भी है ग्रेट. तो मैग्नम ओपस, ग्रेट, मैग्नम ओपस किसी भी आर्टिस्ट का greatest work, the greatest work of any artist is called magnum opus. किसी भी आर्टिस्ट का सबसे अच्छा काम, सबसे ही अच्छा काम will be called magnum opus. So now that we have talked a lot about Shah Rukh Khan, let's stick to Shah Rukh Khan for this particular lecture. So I would say Shah Rukh Khan's magnum opus, the greatest work that he has ever done is of course Swadesh, and the greatest commercial hit that he ever had was Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. So magnum opus is an artist's greatest work. Magan is great. Next is magnificent. Magnificent, you can think of magnificent as a synonym to marvelous, which means great. So magnificent is great work, amazing work. So basically, if you actually succeed to go to a IIM call, to go to an IIM, in that condition, your result will be magnificent. That means you did great job. The next word for today's session is am, Amy, which means love. Am, Amy, which means love. For this particular word, I have made this twist, amity. If you know, there is a very popular university, it's called Amity University. There's a little story here. Amity University, I have had students who actually went to Amity University, and somehow they found the university to be really friendly. Some of them also met their best friends there. And if you have seen the commercials of Amity University, you would know, of course, that Amity University is actually quite friendly. The teachers, the campus area, the campus life, everything there seems in their commercial, at least it looks like it's quite friendly in nature. So basically, Amity University is a very friendly university, if I'm not wrong. So एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी फ्रेंडली यूनिवर्सिटी. यहाँ से आपको याद रखना है एमिटी का मीनिंग. द वर्ड मीनिंग ऑफ एमिटी इज फ्रेंडली. The next two words is amorous, ameliorate, amalgamate, amiable, amicable, and immature. Now the root word for am and ami, it means love. Love and friendship are somehow synonymous. Also, if you think friendship is something which makes you a better person, friendship helps you, someone who cares about you, all of these are good things about friendships. And also, sometimes a friend can be quite uh, m- childish sometimes. So, amiable and amicable, these two words are actually synonymous to each other. Amiable and amicable. Amiable is a person who is friendly. Amicable is also a person who is friendly. But amicable is necessarily a behavior. So let's say if you met somebody, you met a friend, a mutual friend, and you find this person to be friendly, his behavior to be friendly. In that condition, he is amicable. Amiable is also friendly. So both of these are synonymous to each other. You can learn both of them very easily with this particular point that they are synonymous to each other. Immature के दो बहुत ही अच्छे synonyms हैं, novice and naive. And these days you call it noob. Somehow, I don't know, this also became a hit word. So immature is novice, naive, or noob, somebody with very less experience would be called immature, or novice, naive, and noob. All these three words are synonymous to immature. You can learn them very easily with this synonym by relating it with the synonymous logic. Next is amorous and ameliorate. Now, amorous and ameliorate. You might feel that both these words are similar somehow, but remember, amorous has a little twist in it. It is devote. Till now, we have been discussing only about friendships. Amorous is that one word which is related more towards love and less towards friendship. So, amorous is basically likeness, kind of likeness which is more than a friendship, less than love. So, if you like somebody in a certain manner, that would be amorous. To like somebody in a very particularly certain manner, that would be amorous. Ameliorate is a very interesting word again. So, ameliorate का मीनिंग क्या होता है अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं? This word has actually been used in IPM entrance examination. So let's discuss this quite in a elaborate manner. Ameliorate का मीनिंग होता है जब आप किसी भी बुरी चीज को, अनसेटिस्फैक्टरी चीज को satisfactory बनाते हो. When you are turning an unsatisfactory incident into a satisfactory experience. So any non-satiating thing that would be turning into a satiating thing, making it better, would be ameliorate. The easier way to learn this word is that ameliorate का meaning होता है to make things better. So, for example, your mother served you with khichdi in the dinner and you hated it, of course. And later on, you actually complained about it to your mother. So maybe late at night at around 10 p.m., what she does is that she makes you a bowl of Maggie, and that would be ameliorating the situation, making it better, making things better, to make things better. So basically, when your mother served you with a bowl of Maggie, when you were not very much satisfied with your dinner, that means she tried to make it better for you. How? That she was replacing the taste of khichdi to the taste of with the taste of Maggie. Amalgamation is the joining and union of anything. So love basically joins world. It is the love between you and your parents that is helping you to reach till here. So amalgamation is nothing but joining or union. I hope you have understood all these 15, around 10 to 15 words that we did in this session. And I would also like to know that how much of these words have you actually used in your real life? Thank you and have a very nice day ahead.